Abraham Hicks once said, "You are joy looking for a way to express." Do you feel that joy within you, or does it feel suppressed and watered down? It's a little disheartening. The fact that most of us are living as diluted versions of ourselves, our vibrant colors mixed with the neutral tones of societal expectations, parental guidance, and environmental conditioning. As we navigate through life, these elements unconsciously shape our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors, often steering us away from our true, unfiltered selves. We start off like a painting, a masterpiece, bursting with color and emotion. But each time someone else adds a stroke, the original artwork fades, becoming a watered-down version of its former glory. It's time to recognize these influences and start the journey to rediscover our authentic selves. Napoleon Hill acknowledged, "We are the master of our fate, the captain of our souls, because we have the power to control our thoughts." But what if our thoughts are not entirely our own? We are taught to value certain things, to aspire for specific goals, success, wealth, happiness. But whose definition of success are we chasing? Whose concept of happiness are we striving for? Here's the thing. While there are external influences that shape our thoughts, beliefs, and self-concepts, they do not define us. They are external inputs that we have internalized. We are not simply the sum of societal expectations, parental influences, and environmental factors. We are more, much more. Abraham Hicks once said, "You are not a regurgitation of what everyone else wants. You are a creator who has the ability to create your own reality." We have the power to examine these influences, to question them, to challenge them. We have the power to redefine our thoughts and, in turn, our lives. Philosopher Socrates said, "An unexamined life is not worth living." So, how do we begin this examination, this journey of self-discovery and healing? First step of awareness is meditation. Meditation is akin to a mirror, reflecting our thoughts and emotions just as they are, raw and unfiltered. It fosters self-awareness, paving the way for inner peace. The goal is to sit in a quiet room, your breath serving as an anchor, guiding you into the depths of your consciousness. This is where you realize all of the thoughts that were on your mind and meet your true self, free from the masks we wear and the roles we play in society. Yet the journey doesn't stop there. Alongside meditation, there's an equally powerful tool of self-exploration and healing: shadow journaling. This practice is about reaching into our subconscious mind, acknowledging our traumas, and embracing our shadows. It's about writing down those aspects of ourselves that we've buried deep, the parts that we've been told are unacceptable or unworthy. This practice gives voice to our fears, our insecurities, and our pains. As Abraham Hicks wisely stated, the key to self-understanding and a perception of freedom is within our willingness to experience our feelings. Shadow journaling provides a safe space to experience and express our feelings without judgment, allowing us to heal and grow. Moreover, Napoleon Hill once declared, "Every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit." Through meditation and shadow journaling, we can find those seeds within our adversities and nurture them into strengths. These practices help us reconnect with our authentic selves, reigniting the inner joy that may have dimmed over the years. So, in essence, the journey to self-discovery and healing is not about changing who we are, but about unbecoming everything that isn't truly us. We peel back the layers to reveal the inspired child within, who sees the world with wonder and infinite possibility. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery and healing, remember the most important relationship you'll ever have is with yourself. So dear viewer, are you ready to meet the real you?